Hello modelers. Welcome to my channel for another video. Today we will introduce a multi-role fighter aircraft of European production. EF-2000 Eurofighter Typhoon. The model is in 1 hour 72 minutes scale. I chose the kit from Hasegawa. It is probably the best currently on the market in this scale. Although this kit also has its flaws. It will be necessary to putty, cut through the panels. The cockpit is very schematic, but with a little attention to detail it will be quite sufficient with the cabin closed. What is not sufficient, however, are the engine nozzles, which I had to buy resin ones. We will build the plane in the service of the German Air Force. Open a beer and let's begin. We need to start by re-engraving the shallow paneling. It's easier to do this when the plane is unfolded than when it's already folded. I'll use a sharp scalpel to engrave the plane, and then my super special homemade engraver to carve the groove. I'll lightly carve the groove several times, being careful not to let the engraver slip out of the groove. I'll fill the carved joint with extra thin glue, which will smooth the surface and remove any sharp edges and dirt. The classic video sequence of cutting the first pieces of the kit cannot be missed. I used Tamiya's extra tin for gluing. Fun fact: I stuck this little thing in there 14 times and it always fell off. I got it on the 15th try, but I didn't have a focus video. For the cockpit paint I used acrylic paints I had at home. In our case, some light grey and black, for the seat parts a mix of khaki and light brown. Fun fact: I accidentally left a nozzle or air vent, or whatever it is, on my stick, thinking it belonged there. When I realized my mistake, I cut it off with scissors and it flew right into my eye, freshly painted. I cursed a lot. Ouch! I put a few drops of Mr. Softener from GSI under the decals. Now I'm going to make a very simple improvement to the ugly ejection seat from the kit. Not that I'm going to make it a masterpiece, but it will liven up the look a bit. Thank you very much for your interest in my work. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you leave a comment I would be very happy because it will increase my reach on YouTube and reach more modelers. And if you don't feel like writing a comment, at least send a smiley or other emoticon. Thanks. For a better effect, I used glossy acrylic varnish with a drop of green paint. I put the fuselage together, glue it well and secure it with Tamiya tape. We put all the cockpit parts in their place and prepare for the wash technique. I will patina with black, white and brown oil and their combinations. I dilute them with Zippo fluid. And that's all for today. We really appreciate you watching this far. Let's take some pictures. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.